Upscaling your footage to 4K in Davinci Resolve 18 can significantly enhance its quality. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to upscale to 4K in Davinci Resolve. So if you want to do that, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is start by opening your project in Davinci Resolve 18, then go to the media pool and find your timeline. Right click on it and select timeline settings. Once you do that, uncheck the use project settings box from the drop down menu. Select the Ultra HD or 4K as your resolution. Once you do that, make sure upscale entire image to fit is selected, then click OK. Then after that, you can further optimize your settings from the best results by adjusting the sharpness and the noise reduction settings, and that is how to upscale to 4K in Davinci Resolve 18. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.